Hello everyone, my name is Alexey, and today I would like to tell you about simple function that is quite popular in the interviews for front-end position, and this function is often used in frameworks such as React to add some functionality to a component. So, more business, let's get acquainted with the task. Okay, let's start with these two functions, and the first function is double. If we will pass a number here, it will be doubled. And second function is square. If we will pass a number here, it will be raised to the second power. And we have to write compose function in which we can pass these functions and similar functions and get a result. For example, if we will pass number 3 in the composed function, so it will be squared firstly, so it will be 9, and then this result of square will be transferred to double, and it will be 9, and 9 will be multiplied by 2, and we will have 18 as a result. So we can also replace this, and if we will replace square and double, firstly number will be doubled, 3 multiplied by 2 it's 6, and if we will square 6 it will be 36. And let's try to write this compose function. Okay, let's start to implement our compose function, and as we can see, we need to pass into compose function other functions, and it can be 1, 2, 3 or 35 functions, and we need somehow to transfer it into arguments array, and we can do it with spread syntax. So 3 dots, and it will be our funcs. Also, we can see here, so we need to pass a parameter here and return function from compose function. So return arrow function, and here we must provide an argument, and it will be numbers, so let's provide a num here. Then we need somehow to iterate through all functions in a reversed way. So first we need to call square with our argument, then result need to be transferred in double function, and then we will have a result. So we need to use not a popular method in JavaScript for arrays, but it exists and we will deal with it. So it reduce write. So we need to call reduce write with our functions. Reduce write does the same as reduce, but in reversed way. So not iterating through the array from start, it iterates through the array from the end. So reduce write. And we will have here our argument and our function. So we will iterate through functions, and argument will be our accumulator in reduce, and function will be our current element. And here we just need to return a result of function. So return function, and we will pass an argument here. So we will return result of this function, it will transferred here, and the next function in the array of functions will be executed with our new value from the previous functions. And we need to pass the first argument, and it will be num. It will be first value for our accumulator. Let's pass it here. And that's it, really. And let's try to execute our code and check if it works. Okay, and of course we need to return our result. And let's try to see if our function works and how it works. Okay, let's try to execute our function. So node index.js, and we can see 18 here because our 3 was squared. Squared result was transferred to double, and 9 multiplied by 2 will be 18. And we also can swap these two functions, and we need to double 3 and then put it into square, and we will have a 36. Yes, we will have 36. And also we can add similar functions here, and this result will work. This equation will work. So yes, we have a really big number here, and we are iterating through these functions one by one from the end. Okay, we wrote this function, and in the real interview you will have approximately 5 minutes to write this function. I think it's good, and I've explained to you it in my way, and how I implemented it on the interview, and this result was accepted. Cool. Please like, subscribe, stay tuned. Please subscribe to my Telegram channel and check the description. Bye.